Hey, so I'm gonna make a video on I've been making screencast videos, a way that you guys can make lectures for your class, and they're gonna be able to see everything that's on your screen, and you do just kind of like a voiceover of it, and that way you can like post the lecture, and then they can watch it and watch your instruction, and then go on and do the assignments later. So I'm actually using the program right now. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic, and let me minimize that. Okay, so what you're seeing right now, this is a recording of my screen. I'm going to show you guys how to get the program, and then we'll go through a little bit how to use it. So I go to the Google search bar, and I'm going to type in Screencast-O-Matic. And the first link up here on top is the one you're going to want. And you're going to get a picture that looks, a website that looks like this. So I'm going to use the free version, so start recording for free. Anyway, you're going to click launch free recorder. I can't actually go into it right now because I'm using the program. It won't let me do that. So I took some screenshots of what it should look like. So once you launch the free recorder, it's going to prompt you to download the program. Go ahead and do that. Then the next time you go here, you're going to click launch free recorder, and you're going to get something that looks like this. So open screen recorder launcher version 2.0, and you're going to click open screen recorder launcher version 2.0. Once that happens, a box like this will pop up. Now, whatever's inside this box is what it's going to record. And right now it's set just to screen, so they wouldn't see you, they would just see what's on your screen. And they could hear you voice over it. Under narration, that's what I'm using right now, so you can hear me. You're going to click that and set up your microphone. There shouldn't be more than one or two options generally, but if you have problems, I'd probably recommend using like a pair of headphones with a microphone on it. That way people can hear you that way. If you set up your microphone through Zoom, it's the same thing. You can, like I say, click and drag this to whatever size you're going to want it to move it around, and that's what they're going to see. If you click webcam, it'll be just a screen recording of you. If you click both, that's what I'm using right now, and you're going to be able to record your screen and you. So you can change it so that I can go to more of just me. That's like most of the screen is taken up by me. You can change it so that there's a smaller version of you, or you can click it and set it so that they can only see the screen, and you can go between all three of these options. Personally, this is the one that I like, but it's totally up to you. So once you have all that set up and you think you're ready to get going, you're going to click record. Now, what I've been doing is I'll go to PowerPoint. You can also use like Google Slides if you don't have PowerPoint, and you're going to go to whatever lecture thing you have set up, and I'm going to go to slideshow. Now, I can start my video lecture, and I can start talking about energy. It's the ability to cause change, and then I talk about the different types of energy. And I can even go in here, and once I'm in PowerPoint, and I could use this feature that they have, and I could set up so that I can draw, and I could talk about this one. Oh, that wasn't very good, but yeah, you get the idea. When I'm done, I just put the escape button, and I will discard my changes, and that's how I'll do the lecture. Once I'm done with that, and I've done the lecture, let's go back out of here. Okay, once I'm done with this, I'm going to click pause. This record button will turn into a pause, and then I'm going to click done. Once I click done, it's going to ask me a couple different things. Would I like to save it, share it, edit it? I usually go to edit, and I'll move some stuff around. I'll lengthen, I'll lengthen or shorten my video, things like that. And once I click edit, a picture like this will show up. Now I can click and drag these ends, and it can change the length of the video. Once I'm satisfied with what I've recorded, I click Save As. Now, when I click Save As, it's going to give me something that looks like this. For video file, I changed the video file type to MP4. I can rename it. I can name it How to Make a Screencast. I made a folder called Screencast Videos, and I'm saving them all to that. Now, once I'm done with that, I will push publish, and it'll save it to that file. Now, later you can upload that file to, I don't know, Google Classroom, to a Google site, or you can upload it onto YouTube and then share that link. I feel like YouTube is pretty user-friendly for most phones, so I've been updating mine or uploading mine onto YouTube. But you can do whatever you want, whatever works best for you. You could try it out a couple times, make a couple test videos, and see if it's something that's going to work for you. But yeah, like I said before, there's a whole bunch of different ways to do this, and this is just one way that I found. If it works for you, that's awesome. If you have a better way, yeah, do that. But yeah, hope this helps, and this is my How to Make a Screencast video. Thanks.